Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 8 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Satisfaction. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, or complete course. I will provide you a plus grade in your course. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. XP22 as the chapter 8. Step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the named XP22 as the chapter 8 cumulative assessment. Okay, basically in this step we will have to download the Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. You can see our Excel workbook. Okay. Now moving on next step. Next step number is step number 2. Step number 2 is that ensure the employee satisfaction worksheet is active. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of job satisfaction in column D. Place your result in the ranges G5 to G9. Basically in this step we will have to enter a frequency function in column B. Enter a function, frequency function using the range, place your result in the range G5 to G9. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. Go to the Excel workbook, then G5, enter a frequency function. Is equal to frequency function. Then enter a formula. D4 to D53, D4 to D53, then F5 to F10, F5 to F9, F5 to F9, frequency function, then D4 to D53, then F5 to F9, then press enter. It will be shown value 4. You can see here inside G6. Okay, I have done this step. This step is completed now. Now moving on next step. Next step is that enter a function in cell G12 to calculate the standard deviation of column C. Basically in this step we will have to enter a function in cell G12. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. This step has 8 marks. Or go to the Excel workbook and click on cell G12. G12, enter std deviation function dot std dot s function dot s function, then enter a formula. Okay, stdv dot s, then enter formula C4 to C53, enter values, this ranges, then okay, press enter. Objects will be shown standard deviation, will be find standard deviation. Now moving on next step. I have done 3 steps of the assignment. Now moving on next step. Next step is step number 4. Enter a function in cell G13 to calculate the variation between salaries. Enter a function in cell G13. Okay, go to Excel workbook in cell G13. Then is equal to, then enter function var.s addition. Okay, then enter formula, enter ranges C4 to C53. Okay, and press enter. Okay, it will be find variances. Okay, I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that enter a function in cell G14 to calculate the covariances of the salaries and job satisfaction in the data net. Note this is sample of data, not the population. Basically, instead we will have to enter a function in cell G14 to calculate the covariances of salaries and job satisfaction. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. This step has 5 marks. Go to Excel workbook in G14 and cell G14 enter a function covariance .b. Okay, covariance.s function, then enter ranges C4 to C53, then press enter. Then D4 to D53, then press enter. Okay, it will be covariances will be shown there. It will be fine. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. You can see here 5 steps is completed now. Now moving on next steps. Step number 6. Step number 6 is that enter a function in cell F17 to calculate the correlation coefficient between employee salaries and job satisfaction. This step is 5 marks. Basically, step we will have enter a function in cell F17. Okay, go to Excel workbook in F17. Then enter a function. You can see here I have entered this function. Coral function. Then enter values, enter ranges C4 to C53. Okay, and D4 to D53. Okay, then press enter. It will be correlation will be found here. Then press enter. Okay, it will be fine. You can see here I have done this step. This step is completed now. 0.4. Okay, now moving on next step. Next step number is step number 7. In step number 7, ensure the data analysis toolbar that is active. Use the data analysis toolbar to create a histogram based on the salaries in column C. Use the ranges of 4 to 9 as the bin range. Ensure that cumulative percentage, column labels and chart. Okay, go to Excel workbook. Go to data analysis. Go to histogram. Use data analysis toolbar to create histogram based on the series in column C. Go to the histogram. Okay. Then use the ranges I4 to I9 as the bin range. Input range is that C4, C3 to C53. Then bin range is I4 to I9. Use the ranges of I4 to I9 as the bin range. I4 to I9. I4 to I9. Okay, bin ranges enter. Okay, then ensure that the cumulative percentage I forgot to write 9, so I forgot to write 9. Then cumulative percentage column label and chart output are included in the is a cumulative percentage and column labels. Go to the book, cumulative percentage, then column label and chart output are included, column label, okay, and chart output are included, chart output are included. Place the result in cell K4. Output range is cell K4. Click on cell K4. Okay. Then press OK. Okay, it will be create histogram. You can see here. Display series in say OK. Add result text in K4. Series to necessaries. K4 to display series if necessaries. I have done this step. 7th step is complete of this assignment. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is then ensure the office data worksheet is active. Use data analysis toolbar to perform a single factor ANOVA. Okay, go to office data worksheet. Use the data analysis toolbar to perform single factor ANOVA on the ranges C3 to C35. Place the results starting in G3. Okay, go to data analysis. ANOVA single factor. Then ranges C3 to C35. Input ranges C3 to C35. Okay, C3 to E35. Place the result starting inside G3. Place the result starting inside G3. Outputs in G3. Okay, be sure to include column label, resize column GM as needed. Okay, be sure to include column label. Go to label. Okay, then press OK. Resize the column GM as needed. Then press OK. Okay, it will be shown here and our single factor. You can see here. I have done this step. Step number 8 is completed now. Now moving on next step. Okay. Increase with the column G and H as needed. G, H, I, J, all columns that are needed. Okay, you can see here I have done this step now. Now moving on next step. Next step is that step number 9. Step number 9 is that create a forecast sheet that depicts year over year growth in customer growth. Set the forecast and year as 2025 and place the result as a new worksheet named 2025 forecast. Okay, go to as a workbook. First we select this column. Okay, then go to forecast sheet. Then set the forecast and here as 2025 and place the result in new worksheet name 2025 forecast. 2025. Okay, then okay. Forecast is just created now. Now result shows on named as 2025 forecast. Right click on this rename and then 2025 forecast. I have done 9 steps of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to deal for complete course, please contact me through my WhatsApp or email. Both are given in description. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignments and complete course. I have done this course for many students. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.